Welcome back to another video, guys. Right now, we're going to be opening up some Pokemon packs. I know we've been doing a lot of Pokemon pack opening. I'm going to be doing a Clash Royale maybe later today. I might be doing a video with my cousin later today. But right now, Nate gave us a Korean pack. So that's what it looks like. Let's open this bad boy. If we get something good, guys, I'm gonna tell it all to my brother, so he's gonna be like, yeah, suck it. And Nate's gonna be like, suck it. I think I saw something good in there, guys. I didn't know that I could turn until I break this through. Not too bad. I'm pretty sure the Spirit Tome. It's my first card ever that I've got from this guy. Okay, that's R something. I got that guy, and then I got a Joltik. Their CP might be a little bit off, but looks different. I'm just gonna keep this card packaging because I don't live in Korea. How do you know that I feel something to break this through? And later today we might be having a 500th cap video. How about we do a 2-in-1 episode? Let's get into some Clash Royale. Oh my gosh. Pokemon Go might be our longest series. I'm just gonna check into that and see what there is. Probably nothing special, but that's later too, guys. Just to say it was in the comments below. So it's gonna be logging in soon, and we guys got a Vaporeon at 1,500. So yep, that's our best one right now. Oh my gosh, come on! It's not logging in, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, it's going. Come on, Gengar. Tell us. You're ready. You will be ready. Come on, Bar. Come on, Bar. Come on, Bar. Come on, Bar. Guess we're done. Just like that, baby. And if you haven't seen yet, guys, I just got a magical chest. I opened it, and now I'm in Royal Arena on this account. So we're opening a free chest. 68 gold, 1 tombstone, 8 goblins. Oh, that was horrible. 2 hours and 14 seconds. I might be opening up some legendary chests pretty soon, so if you guys want to see that, you can go on. You can go look. Through. I'll show you a couple battles, guys, that I did. Is this how I got in? No. Yeah, this is the battle that I got in. What is this? Oh my gosh. So my storage almost full. No battles event? No battle events. Okay, now there's. No. Yes, this is the one. Okay. So we had the graveyard, which I was not too bad about, but I didn't know at this start of the time. The prince kind of hurt me, actually, in this battle. Because I was like, no, because I hammered the prince. I'm pretty sure. But this helped me out, actually. That helped me out that he didn't go for that. Now I have both of them. I placed down the hog rider. If I get the spear globs. Yep, okay. That's gonna do a ton of damage. It's fine that they go down. I put the minions in. Okay, and they're getting a ton of damage in. The knight dies, I believe. Yep, the knight dies. And I get that tower down. So I have that. Dragonite has that. And then I'm going for the king tower. He puts a a tornado down. Then that Valkyrie's gonna get off a ton of shots. And then I freeze it and she gets off a ton more. That's how I won it. I would not want it without her with that. Oh, he gets down that. Then I didn't do nothing. He almost takes out the tower, but I throw spear globs down and they do actually quite a bit. He throws down arrow, zap. Nothing. Okay. And he's got a big push there. He's got that. He's gonna get the poke, but this is bad for me because now he's a little bit lower than me, so that's bad. Well, we're pretty equal right now, though, still. You know, my big account, guys, I got the ice golem. He's actually pretty good, considering. But the graveyard didn't help this guy out very much in this deck. It is a use. I won just because of the fireballs. They're unreal in this battle. Throw down another giant, but he's gonna do that, which I knew. 28 seconds left. I still get that. I'm like, oh no. But the unreal fireball damages him. Again, the Valks did a ton of damage. And then we throw down the witch. She does a ton of damage too. Because everything's getting splashed. And then, yep, they got froze, so I kill them all. Graveyard's my tower, but my witch is gonna stop. Oh my gosh, nope, I forgot. But the good thing I fireballed that musketeer, else she would have got the tower. He has that left. I'm pretty sure I won this battle to get in. He, I believe, kills my thing. Yep, he kills my hog rider. But then I freeze that, and that's just down for him. I've won it. Fireballed, I believe, on the tower. Yep, put another one in. That one dies, but that one's gonna get it. And then I fireball, and that's for the win. Which is pretty unreal. Which is pretty cool, guys. I mean, considering. 3-1, and he had only 676 on my tower, on my top one left. Which was really cool at the time. Yeah, I might be opening up some legendary chests. Maybe I'll open, because I want to get a legendary. But I might be putting, I don't know which account I'll be putting it on. Probably my big one, but I might get my first legendary on this one. So yeah, that's what it was. This episode we got one pack, and then a Korean pack, and then we just did some Clash Royale. Tell me if you like more of them types of videos with two. And then in the next vlog, we're going to be talking about what's our top series, like our top most video series. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs like that. Bye!